I'm Trey, and this is KK from Vineyard Chicks Homestead, and this is our official entry into the Bushcraft Family Herbal Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration, where we will be growing lemon balm, hyssop, feverfew, and oregano.
We've actually grown lemon balm and oregano before. We used lemon balm as a start for teas, and I had fun with that one year, and they've been coming back since. And we've also been growing oregano as an ingredient in Italian seasoning, so we usually just dry it up and preserve it that way. And that's in there.
This is the Italian seasoning. Lemon balm is actually also a mint, and while we are out of the lemon balm we grew, we use mint leaves in our grape leaf tea.
Now, we also make tinctures, which is one of the focuses of this side of the collaboration, and we've done it with fruit.
We use strawberries and elderberries, and elderberry tinctures actually have a lot of
Health benefits.
Health benefits. And you might not have known this, but vanilla is also a tincture of vanilla beans. And even this garlic and honey is a tincture. So we have made tinctures before, but one thing we've never made is oil-based tinctures.
We know oil-based is prone to getting a lot of microbial growth, and after a few weeks you probably have to throw it out because it has mold or other bacteria growing in it, and it's just nasty and awful.
This little doodad here is supposed to prevent those microbes from growing. So you put it through this, and then you shouldn't have any trouble with that.
So we'll be using this year so we can make some oil-based tinctures, and a brand new one like this will be one of the prizes in the giveaway hosted for both collaborations at the end of the year. So make sure you comment on this video and any of the other videos in the playlist.
Or you could make a video of your own in either collaboration for another chance to win. Our collaboration is more focused on food security and seed survival. And so our seeds are actually being sent out right now, and Grape Jams and Bunky are right now working on getting these seeds packaged and sent out. So these are going to be coming to anyone who has already asked for them very soon. So if you are interested in joining, please send us an email.
But that's our entry into this collaboration, and we highly encourage you to go check out Bushcraft Family's channel and see what he has to say about the collaboration. It's a really cool collaboration. We really would like if you entered either his or our collaborations. They kind of work hand in hand. And
special thanks to Bushcraft Family for this collaboration as the partner to our collaboration, and to Lazy Days Ahead for hosting the giveaways. So if you guys could check out both of their channels, they're in the description. They are both really, really great people and absolute joys to be around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. God bless. Hi, I'm Trey, and we have live music every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you like our music, you can also check out our music channel, which is Vineyard Chicks instead of Vineyard Chicks Homestead, and I would love to see you there.